The Boyi GK75 is a decent keyboard that comes with a good amount of accessories. I am happy I went with this colorway, but this keyboard isn't too unique compared to others. I do not like this font, and I don't really like the see-through keycaps. They just feel cheap nowadays when you get spoiled with custom keyboards. The switches are pre-lubed, but I don't think they are lubed too well, but that's alright, they still sound alright. I do like how they look too. I think I should have went with different key switches and tried something other than the reds, but that's okay. Let's listen to how they sound real quick. I am eager to upgrade this and change the keycaps, but let's go over the stock product for this video at the moment, as I am missing some foamed supplies that I want. I do not really like the escape key it comes with, but they do include a different one in the accessory, so you can easily remove it and switch it out. My 4 key is for some reason staying as the same color, and I can't figure out why. Maybe there is a fix, but it's not that big of a deal, I guess. Overall, this keyboard has been a little disappointing. I do like typing on it and using it. It is still comfortable and a good product, but there are plenty of other options. I think if I mod the heck out of this keyboard, it will sound way better in the future, so there will be a part 2 to this. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a good day.